In this video, we'll go over basic maintenance of the filter element. The filter element and housing should be cleaned at a maximum interval of once every month. The filter element, if kept dry, can be removed, blown out with compressed air, and replaced a number of times. The actual number of times a single filter element can be reused is greatly dependent upon the amount and type of dust present in the air around the unit. The standard Unimove filter system provides protection against dust particles down to 10 micron diameter. If you have finer particles in your environment, please contact a local dealer. We suggest that you keep one or more filter elements on hand so that a dirty filter can be removed and replaced with a clean filter. The dirty filter element can now be cleaned at your leisure, and if still functional, can be reused at the next required filter cleaning. This will also result in the shortest possible downtime for performing this maintenance function. Filter element replacement should require no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Assuming that your dust levels remain constant, you will be able to predict your cleaning interval. We'll discuss that on the next slide. To establish your individual filter element cleaning cycle after initial startup, begin by checking the filter element condition after the first day, then every 2 or 3 days, then every week, and so on for up to 1 month. Somewhere within this time span, you will find of your required filter element cleaning cycle when the element is dirty enough for a replacement. Increases in dust levels around the unit may decrease the filter cleaning interval. If you have any further questions or would like us to review your lifting application, please reach out via email at sales@unimove.com or call us directly at 610-826-7855. Thank you for your time.